Good morning, students. Welcome to eSuvidya. Hope you all are fine and safe. Students, in the previous class we have discussed that how the Brahman requests the people tree and the dog to give the statements in his favor, but how they turn hostile, or how they don't give any favorable statement for the Brahman or towards they don't give any favorable statement for the Brahman. So, as we have discussed that when the second scene started, it was another part of the forest, and in that part of the forest, the Brahman meet for the first time a peepal tree. And when the Brahman meets the peepal tree, he tells the whole story to the peepal tree, that how the tiger remained inside the cage and how he was passing by. So, how the tiger requested him to help him to come out from the cage. But the moment he helped the tiger to come out from the cage, then the tiger behaved in a negative manner. The tiger showed his ingratitude. The tiger showed his ingratitude towards what? Towards whom? Towards the Brahman. And the tiger told the Brahman that he was the greatest fool to expect gratitude or to expect thankfulness from a wild animal, from a hungry animal like tiger. So now you tell me whether the tiger is doing the right thing or not. So when he told the whole story to the peepal tree answered that, "Oh Brahman, don't expect gratitude, don't expect thankfulness from anyone, because this is the way in which the whole world behaves. You see, I provide shade and shelter. I provide shade to everyone who come under my branches. But the same people who take shelter under my branches, the same people cut my branches to feed their animals or cattle. So, don't expect gratitude being a man, because the human beings behaves in the same manner. So, don't expect gratitude being a man." So, now the Brahman started searching for another animal who can come to his help. Then on the way he meets a dog. The dog was quite old and he was half blinded, means he was lacking vision, he could not see correctly or clearly, and also he was toothless, and he was appearing very angry. He was not satisfied with his master. For this reason he was very angry. And when the Brahman told the whole story to the dog, then the dog also behaved in the same way. The Brahman wanted to know that whether it is fair to kill him or it is not fair. Whether it is fair or whether it is ethically correct, it is morally correct to kill him or not. So now when the Brahman asks the question to whom? When the Brahman asks the question to the dog, then the dog tells that I do not know whether it is correct or not, because this is the way the people behave. This is the way people behave. My master behaved, or my master behaves with me in the same manner. When I was young, my master behaved with me in this same manner. When I was young and guarding the house of my master, he provided me all types of good food. When I was helping him to hunt the animals, he provided me all types of good food. But when I become very old, I could not come to I could not help him, or I could not guard his house. Then he drove out me from his house to starve or to die in hunger. This is the way the whole world behaves. So don't expect gratitude. So now the tiger, the second witness also goes in my favor. What do you mean witness? A person who sees something happen is the witness. A person who sees something happen is the witness. So now the tiger started laughing, ha ha. The second witness also goes in my favor. Prepare to die, O holy Brahman. So now the tiger was quite happy and tells, O Brahman, I have already told you. I have already told you that you are going to die. Because no animal is going to come to your assistance. And you just prepare to die. You just prepare to die, O holy Brahman. Brahman, but wait just a moment, my lord. Here comes a jackal, let me ask him also. Now the Brahman requests the tiger that, oh my lord, please wait for a moment. Please wait for a moment, and here comes a jackal. A jackal is coming towards us. So let me ask, let me tell him the whole story, and let me persuade him, let me request him to give a statement in my favor. A jackal comes along the path. The Brahman tells him the whole story. Okay, jackal, I don't follow much. Please tell me once again. So now the Brahman tells the whole story. Now the Brahman tells the whole story to the jackal, that how he helped the tiger to come out from the cage, and how now he is showing ungratefulness towards him. But now the jackal started pretending that he don't understand anything. Now the jackal started showing his false behavior, that actually he don't understand anything. Brahman, the tiger was caught in a trap. So jackal, I don't follow much. Please tell me once again. So now the jackal requests Brahman to tell the entire story, the entire tale again. Now the Brahman again explains. The tiger was caught in a trap. I took pity on him. I took pity on him means took pity means so sadness that you feel when someone else is hurt, or when someone is in a problem. When we saw someone in a problem and we express sadness, then it is called pity. The tiger was caught in a trap. I took pity on him and let him out. Now he wants to kill me and eat me. This is the way he rewards me. So now the Brahman explained to the jackal that the tiger remained in a trap. Okay, I was passing on the road, so I helped the tiger to come out from the trap or cage, but now he wants to kill me. So I saw pity on him, but he now wants to kill me. Jackal, I am afraid. I don't understand. All seems to go in one ear and out at the other. I will go to the place where it all happened, and then perhaps I shall be able to give a judgment. So they return to the trap. So to give a judgment means to give a decision. So now the jackal started pretending or started behaving as if he is a great fool and he is unable to understand anything. And he tells to the Brahman, oh Brahman, you are explaining all the things to me, but I am unable to understand anything. Whatever you are telling is entering in my one ear and is coming out in another ear. So I can't understand what you are telling. I can understand and can give any judgment or any decision when I will reach the place where the incident has happened. Okay, so if you will take me to the place where the incident happened, then I can give any judgment or I can give any decision. Okay, so now the Brahman and the jackal goes to the what? Goes near the trap where the incident happened. So here we have studied that when the Brahman fails to convince the people tree and the dog, at last he meets a jackal, and he tries to convince the jackal to give a statement in his favor, but the jackal pretends or shows himself as if he is not understanding anything, and the jackal tells the Brahman to take him to the what? To take him to that place where the incident happened. So students, now let us find out some words, new words from this portion of the sense group paragraph 2. So the first word is ungrateful. The first word is ungrateful. The first word is ungrateful. Ungrateful, it is a negative quality. A negative quality means not being thankful, not being thankful to a person who does some favor to you, who does some favor to you. Means, so ungratefulness means a negative quality, not being thankful to a person who does some favor to you. Then the next word is witness. Witness here means a person who sees something happen, or someone called to give evidence in a court. Okay, someone called to give evidence in a court is also called a witness. A person who sees something happen is called witness. Then the next word is pity. Next word is pity. Pity means sadness, that you feel when someone else is hurt or in trouble. Then the last word is judgment. The last word is judgment. Here judgment means decision. So students, today we have completed the sense group paragraph 2. You read the sense group paragraph 2 thoroughly and try to answer the comprehension questions based on this sense group paragraph 2. So students, thank you. Have a nice day. See you in the next class.